Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated New Year cake designs or ideas for my viewers to create a unique and elegantly decorated idea for your New Year celebrations by creating or adding different unique elements to these sort of decorative arrangements people will love to create for their New Year celebrations. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated New Year celebrative ideas for my viewers to create these sort of cake designs or ideas that will add up different unique elements or unique designs that you will love to create these sort of ideas for your New Year celebrations by creating different fireworks theme cake idea or different starry theme cakes can be created for you to make it a more elegant and classy design for your New Year celebrations. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these beautifully decorated ideas that will add up more glamour to your New Year parties or celebrations, and you can create these sort of beautifully decorated designs that will add up or enhance the beauty of your cake designs. You can also combine these ideas with different cupcake decorations that will create a different impact for your New Year parties or New Year Eve celebrations. Viewers, these are some beautifully decorated ideas or designs by using different color combinative ideas. People will love to create these sort of amazingly decorated ideas for your New Year celebrations, and you will definitely fall in love with these ideas to create these sort of sweetest ideas on this New Year Eve. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest and creatively decorated ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.